Welcome everybody on the video. It's my S21 Ultra here, and yeah, that's not a mistake, guys. You click on a video, and the video is how to get the Google Pixel 6 Magic Eraser on any other phone, practically almost any other phone. You know, Google made a big fuss about the latest Tensor chip that powers the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro being really a power horse with machine learning and artificial intelligence, and of course some of these features, if not all, really are limited to this Tensor chip. But you know how the internet is these days. It's just about the memes and yeah, making things work the way they're not supposed to. And I just want to demonstrate you guys, this is here my S21 Ultra, and this functionality is not something very new. So that's my S21 Ultra. It's a picture I just made. I'm gonna hit here the edit button. I'm gonna go to the edit mode, click on these three dots here, and I have object eraser, right? Just click on this here and boom, erase. And again, Samsung were bragging this is only done for smartphones using the very latest Exynos chip, whatever. It's pretty much what Google are doing right now, but okay, it's a first thing. So inside my Google Photos, I'm not having this. Now here I'm back with my Pixel 3 XL, who sadly doesn't have the Tensor chip, and of course doesn't have this new Google Magic Eraser function. But here's the thing, guys. You can make this work, so you're gonna need a few tools, and I promise all of those tools are free. First thing, open the Play Store, and you're gonna need to search for something called SAI, which is the Split APK installer. And I know it sounds complex, but just type SAI, S-A-I, try to search it. I'm already having it here, Split APKs installer. Once you open this one, make sure to download the specific Google Photos APK. The link is going to be into this video description. Download it, put it somewhere on your downloads folder. Now once you're inside the Split APK installer, just hit install APKs, choose here the system file picker, navigate to the downloads folder and choose the specific version of Google Photos. It should be this 564 whatever. Press the install button, okay? You probably need to give access to SAI to be able to install your file, so just do this by allowing from the source Photos. Do you want to update this application? Hit the update button here. Okay, then we can go back and just hopefully try to pray and see if this magic is gonna happen. Well, first time a problem, guys, but the Photos has been installed, so yeah, just see, I'm gonna try to open the Photos and see what happens. As you can see, I've started my Google Photos, guys, and if everything works correctly, I should go here to the edit button, and somewhere inside we should be having a new menu called Tools. So it's not Crop, it is this one, Tools, and inside, guys, the Magic Eraser. And as you can see, guys, I just did a photo of these two things here right on the screen, and I'm gonna try to erase this one. So I'm gonna hit here the erase button, okay, tap to erase the highlighted suggestions, okay. Next, circle or brush to erase more. So alright, I'm just wanna do like this, see how this will go, guys. Okay, waiting for Google to do the magic. No Tensor chip here, the very old Pixel 3 XL, but still running. Oh wow, this is incredible, guys. Oh my god, this looks pretty incredible. And why I do say so, let me just open, guys, and show how the Samsung is doing this. Alright, now I am inside the Samsung, so I'm just gonna test the Samsung way of doing this. Click here, choose the object eraser. Okay, Samsung AI powered by Exynos. Gonna hit this box here, erase. Okay, you see what I mean? Like, guys, definitely Google is doing a better job. I'm just gonna try to zoom in here. You definitely can tell that something happened here. As to what we have inside the Google Photos is just astonishing. And yeah, what can I tell you, guys? Enjoy the internet, right? If you like this video, like it, hit the like button, subscribe for this channel, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe. Go to a puzzle, have a coffee, grab a tea or coffee, enjoy the videos, and we're gonna meet again in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye. Subscribe.